Hi members, I promised in a post this week that I'd do a short summary on the AI that I'm using, specifically around a post that I did that was completely 100% automated, that fed through directly through to LinkedIn without me having to do a single thing after I'd done the design work. I also thought that whilst I'm doing this video, I'd just give you a quick update on to the degree that I am studying and researching AI to keep abreast of what the changes are and what's happening in this sector, I guess. So this is a browser that I'm using called Arc. It's much better than just Google. It gives you a lot of ability to split screen and also have the tabs much more visible and available, if you like. So Futurepedia is a great tool or site to keep you abreast of all the new AI that's coming through. So I get regular updates on that and keep track of that. Just to give you a feel here are all the AI tools that I've researched already and believe are really good and I am using as well. So just to give you a feel of, we've got audio ones, we've got visual ones, we've got research tools, we've got lots of different LLMs and search tools. Build and automate, I'm going to come to this one in a minute. This is the one that I've done the work for the automated post on. Image and video AI and lead generation to help me promote what we're doing. So you get a sense there that I'm taking this very seriously, but this is the one that I intended to share with you today to give you a sense and a feel for what's possible with AI and AI automation. So this is the one that I've built that generated the 100% automated LinkedIn post. And I'll show you that post at the end of this video. This tool is a tool called Make.com, and it's a brilliant system to collate and connect lots of different data sets and lots of different AI agents so that you can do amazing things and automate a lot of your work. So this is an example of a post, but you can do extreme things like put a voice message into your WhatsApp. That will then trigger a whole army of these agents to go off and do all sorts of things. So you could say things like, please create a blog post that I want to go to my website. And this is the topic. This is what I want to say. Go ahead and write that blog post for me. I also want you to make a phone call to John, and what I want you to tell him is X, Y, and Z. Phone him with my voice, and that could be automated, and that telephone call could happen. And then the other thing that could happen is you could say, I want a meeting with Sarah on Tuesday. Please look at our calendars and schedule those. It's unbelievable what you can do with these things. This is a simple example. In Make.com you do get lots of templates. So these templates are where there's lots of automations already being created. So this will give you a sense of the degree to which you can automate things. It is unbelievable. Now what I would say from my own experience of these are mine that I'm building and working on. Now this system is incredible. And when you watch videos from people on YouTube walking you through this, it looks really simple. And once you've spent many hours studying it, and there's a really good teaching course within Make, once you've gone through a lot of that and you've done a lot of this yourself, and you've learnt by your mistakes and you've learnt what the errors are, etc., etc., it does become easier. But to start with, there's a lot of work to do. So I won't go into this in too much detail, but I'm just giving you a feel here, planting the seed for what's possible. This system called Perplexity is almost a cross between ChatGPT and Google, and it's brilliant at doing some web-related research. So this is the first start for my blog posts, and I train this and I give this the prompts it needs so it can go off and research very recent news articles, and then I program it to find the ones that I'm particularly interested in for our cohort, the public sector. And then we schedule this to run. So I think what I might do is run this every day at 12 noon so that we get really interesting news posts for the public sector. That then, for every one of these, you need to create either a webhook or an API through to these systems. And each one of these systems, you typically need to pay some money so that you can get access to it and create these API links or these webhooks. The next one then is, in this example, is ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been programmed with an assistant to take this basic core data and to turn it into a more well-rounded, better written post. And then again, we've got the APIs and such like in here, and the design in here, and then we feed that through into the LinkedIn post, and then LinkedIn executes and posts it. So in this example, it will be 2 minutes past 12 because this takes a few minutes to do its thing. But this is an example of absolutely, once you've designed it and set it all up, it's 100% automated, which is incredible when you consider the output results, which are, I think, pretty exciting and high quality as well. If you design it properly, the output can be really genuinely high quality. The post that it generated yesterday on my first attempt was a news article that to me was really insightful and very helpful, which I would not have found had I not set this up. So I've hopefully given you an indication of the amount of use cases that you can have with these automations. It's something that I'm working on at the moment to improve my own performance and my own efficiency and my own productivity. As I work through these examples in the coming weeks and months, it might be something that I offer as a service to clients. But at the moment, it's purely about my own work, and I wanted to share with you what the possibilities are. So this is the output of that post, that sequence, that automation that I've just shown you. It's generated the title all by itself. It's written the text. It's pulled out the key themes, the key issues. It's made it interesting. It's made it compelling. The key stats, which really are interesting. Created the link for us to the original document that we can go and look at. Again, that gives you good validation that this is not being made up. It's not hallucinating. Adds the information that I wanted it to in terms of engage with my free membership site. Overall, I'm really pleased with it. I think as the first stab, that's fantastic, and it's a news story that I genuinely want to see every day. So I'm going to continue with these as a news update for the public sector. I'll tweak it. I'll tweak the assistant that drives this. So I want to tweak the title. I want to add in the bottom that this is 100% AI generated so that it's not misleading people. But on the whole, I'm really pleased with it. I hope it gives you a sense of what's possible. And that's the purpose of this video. Thank you.